Every premium product begins with carefully selected Grey Brahman bulls. Each animal undergoes strict inspection before processing starts. Veterinary experts inspect every bull for premium quality. Only approved animals continue to the next stage. Modern facilities maintain strict hygiene and safety standards. Every workstation is inspected before production starts. The valuable white horns are prepared for precision removal. Careful handling preserves their natural structure. The premium hide is removed with expert precision. Maintaining hide quality is essential for luxury leather.
Controlled heat softens the natural horn. This makes the material flexible for shaping.
The horns are cooled under controlled conditions. Cooling prevents material stress before machining. The CNC machine cuts the horn sheet into precise blanks. Every cut follows a digitally programmed pattern. Controlled humidity stabilizes the natural horn. This prevents distortion during later machining. Every horn blank receives a unique identification code. Traceability ensures complete quality control. Diamond tools create perfectly accurate lens openings. Precision is measured to microscopic tolerances. Remaining horn material is efficiently reused. Every valuable piece contributes to luxury craftsmanship. Micro-machining creates perfect hinge slots. Accuracy is essential for smooth movement. Skilled craftsmen assemble every frame by hand. Careful fitting ensures perfect. The glossy finish highlights every unique grain. Each horn frame is inspected for flawless craftsmanship. The journey now continues with premium hide processing. Each horn frame is inspected for flawless craftsmanship. The journey now continues with premium hide processing.
Ready on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, lift. Got it, watch your side.
Industrial salt preserves the hide immediately. This protects the leather's natural quality. Controlled curing preserves the premium leather. The process prepares it for deep cleaning. Soaking restores moisture to the preserved hide. It also removes excess salt before processing. Limming prepares the hide for smooth leather production. It softens the outer layer for cleaning. Precision fleshing creates an even leather surface. Only the finest layer moves forward.
The leather is split to a uniform thickness. This ensures consistent premium quality.
The leather absorbs rich, even color. Slow rotation ensures perfect penetration.
Natural oils keep the leather soft and durable. This improves flexibility and luxury feel. Mechanical softening creates a luxurious feel. The leather becomes smooth and flexible. Buffing creates an exceptionally smooth surface. The leather is now ready for finishing. Controlled drying locks in the protective finish. The leather is prepared for its final texture. Every leather sheet must meet strict luxury standards. Only flawless material continues to final production. Digital nesting software maximizes every premium leather sheet. Each pattern is positioned for the highest material yield. Computer-controlled cutting ensures perfect accuracy. Every leather component matches its digital design. Computer-controlled cutting ensures perfect accuracy. Every leather component matches its digital design. Every leather component is individually inspected. Only flawless pieces continue to assembly. Skiving creates thin, flexible leather edges. This produces elegant folds and premium finishes. Protective edge paint seals every leather edge. It improves both durability and appearance. Controlled drying hardens the edge coating. The finish becomes smooth and long-lasting. Precision punching creates perfectly aligned stitch holes. This ensures consistent luxury craftsmanship. Premium metal hardware completes each leather product. Every fitting is securely installed for lasting performance. The final polish enhances the leather's natural beauty. Every luxury product is now ready for its final inspection. A precision brass die embosses the luxury logo. The signature mark reflects premium craftsmanship. Each product receives a meticulous hand finish. The leather's natural beauty is enhanced.
Natural horn frames are paired with premium leather cases. Each luxury set is carefully matched by hand.
Every hinge and closure is tested for reliability. Functionality must match luxury appearance. Every luxury product receives a unique identity. Digital certification guarantees authenticity. Elegant presentation boxes protect every luxury product. Premium packaging completes the customer experience. Protective wrapping keeps every package pristine. Each box is labeled for worldwide distribution. Every shipment is carefully protected for transport. Secure packing ensures safe global delivery. Every export pallet is digitally verified before shipment. Accurate inspection guarantees complete order accuracy. Electric forklifts carefully transport the finished products. Safe handling protects every luxury shipment. The finished products are carefully loaded into export containers. Each pallet is secured for safe international transport. The completed shipment leaves the factory for global markets. From raw materials to luxury craftsmanship, the journey continues worldwide. Gate control, this is yard 2. Container 4B verified, seal intact.
Copy that. 4B cleared for staging.
Giant cranes carefully load the export container. Precision handling protects every luxury product.
Goodbye. Safe travels. We'll see you on the next run.
The finished collection reaches premium luxury boutiques. Every detail reflects expert craftsmanship.
This is the matching premium leather case, handcrafted with the finest velvet lining.
It is exquisite.
The craftsmanship is truly superb.
Every detail tells the story of expert manufacturing. Precision and craftsmanship define every luxury piece. Every product includes verified quality certification. Luxury is backed by careful inspection. Every product includes verified quality certification. Luxury is backed by careful inspection. Premium presentation completes the luxury experience. Every package is designed with exceptional attention to detail. From carefully selected raw materials to luxury craftsmanship, every stage contributes to exceptional quality. Behind every luxury product is a skilled manufacturing team. Their dedication brings premium craftsmanship to life. The finished collection represents true luxury craftsmanship. Natural materials become timeless works of art. This factory transforms natural materials into luxury products. Quality and innovation drive every stage of production. This factory transforms natural materials into luxury products. Quality and innovation drive every stage of production, from Grey Brahman Bull to world-class luxury products. Thank you for watching Inside Factory TV.